In this video, let me show you how to find the voice settings in all Peugeot cars. In my case, I've got Peugeot 3008 and this should work similar in your Peugeot car, so let's just keep watching and enjoy adjusting the volume settings. Alright, so at the very beginning you need to use the home screen. From this home screen, let's use here the settings, and then from settings you need to scroll down from the left menu to see here the audio. From audio you've got here three sections: the sound settings, radio settings or volume settings. Let's use here the volume settings, the third option, and as you can see here you've got access to the following settings. One of them is system voice. So you can adjust the volume of the car's built-in virtual assistant. It affects how loud the car speakers back to you when you use voice commands. Quite useful. You've got here phone, and in phone you've got default ringtone and voice. So basically the default ringtone, of course, is the ringtone of your phone, and you've got also the voice of your phone, so you can adjust the ringtone and voice differently. It's also really interesting thing to do. You've got also the system sounds. As you can see, it could be off, low, medium or high. Those are notifications, and also the touch screen. You can see the clicking. So notification, of course, adjusting the volume for system alerts such as a low fuel warning or speed limit alert. And you've got also the start screen. This controls the click sound you hear every time you tap a button. So then you've got also the navigation, and you can adjust it from low to medium or high. Let me keep it on medium. This is a specific alert volume for the navigation system danger zones. Usually referred to fixed speed cameras, high accident areas or red light cameras. So it's quite useful. I like to have this quite loud, but medium is enough for me, so let me keep it on medium. So that's it. You can, as you can see, adjust a few volume settings. This screen allows you to independently control the volume levels or different car functions, so it's useful that you can customize them on your own. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.